Hello everyone, Jai Shri Shyam. In this video, I'm going to discuss the most expected topics of CA Foundation Law. See, I have selected these topics on the basis of my past experience. I'm not saying the entire paper will come from these 10 topics only, but yes, I must say that any teacher preparing the law paper is not going to ignore these topics. So one by one I will discuss all the topics, so please take a paper and pen and note down all the topics. Okay, so the very first topic on which the question can be drafted in the exam is the consideration from Indian Contract Act 1872. You can expect a 4 to 5 marks question on this topic. The next topic, the second number topic, is the doctrine of indoor management from Companies Act 2013. Then the third topic comes out to be the minor from Indian Contract Act, where you can expect a question related to what are the minor rights or any type of case study. The fourth is rights of partner from Indian Partnership Act. The fifth is caveat emptor from Sales of Goods Act 1930. The next is the sixth topic, the difference of anticipatory and actual breach of contract along with the damages, that is the suit upon quantum merit. This is something very important. The seventh topic is free consent from Indian Contract Act. The eighth topic is difference between conditions and warranties, along with what are the implied conditions and what are the implied warranties. This is the eighth topic. The ninth topic is dissolution of firm with or without intervention of court, and the 10th topic is the corporate veil from Companies Act 2013. तो ये 10 टॉपिक्स अगर आपने कर लिए, so definitely you will get the confidence and you will see that in any mock test paper or in the past examination paper, out of 60, at least 45 to 50% paper has been covered from these 10 topics. So according to that experience, I am saying that you must prepare these topics in a very well manner, and definitely you can expect a good portion of paper from these 10 topics. But I am not saying that you must rely on these topics only and leave out the rest of the paper. I am not saying this, but what I am trying to say that you must focus on these topics on a प्रायोरिटी बेसिस एंड यू मस्ट प्रैक्टिस दीज टॉपिक्स इन राइटिंग। तो इस वीडियो को अपने हर दोस्त के साथ जरूर शेयर करिए जो इस बार सीए फाउंडेशन एग्जाम देने जा रहा है। फेसबुक पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे, व्हाट्सएप पे, जब जगह इसको शेयर करिए ताकि आपके दोस्तों का भला हो सके। याद रखिए, भला करने से ही अपना भला होता है। जैसे हम आपका कर रहे हैं और हमारा भला हो रहा है, सेम वे आप भी अपने दोस्तों का भला करिए। इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिए ताकि उनका जो लॉ का खौफ है वो उनके मन से जो है वो खत्म हो सके। जय श्री श्याम।